Hey, welcome back, guys. Yeah, want to appreciate all the new subscribers yesterday. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Y'all did really good. You shared. You did thumbs up. Yeah, really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Really do. I'm hoping this channel will grow. I know it will. So we can go places, do things, and just talk a little bit about spreading the word. Just a little bit. Just try to get the word out. What's going to happen in the future? I know it's pretty important, everybody, to know what's going to happen in the future, and it's in the near future. So again, I'd like to thank everybody. Thanks a lot. And all the comments. Well, yeah. I think I answered them all. I think I did. Hopefully I did. I don't think I missed any. It's really easy for me to miss some because I'm still relatively new to this thing. So I guess that's about it. It's going to be a short video. Yeah, you know that, like I said, I think it was yesterday, I'm cancer free, you know, then so as a precaution I done that PET scan and everything turned out good, but it's found one little spot on my prostate. So then I had to go to the prostate doctor. He did a exam on me, and then they sent my blood out, do a PSA. Thank you. Oh shoot, forgot your name now. Darn. Grifters Anonymous, of course. Thanks for the comment and remind me. PSA. Thank you. Little shout out. And I don't know if y'all follow New York Dan or not, but he's on a cruise ship in Jacksonville. He left Jacksonville, Florida, and going to the Bahamas and little islands around there. Supposedly he said he got it free because he does, you know, quite a bit of gambling and stuff. I don't like to gamble. I mean, I will play the slots a little bit, but you know, I'll play like $20. Once I lose, that's it. I'm all done. I don't really like to gamble. I'm not against gambling. I don't like the feeling of gambling. It makes you feel so happy when you win and then so sad when you don't win. So I don't like nothing to control me like that. I like to be in control. So when I lose, sad. When I win, I'm happy. That's not my cup of tea. But hey, it's good. It's all entertainment. It's good. I don't. My wife gambles a little bit. We went to Niagara Falls one time on a Canada side, and we gambled a little bit on that side, and then we jumped in the car and went about 50 miles into Canada. Stayed at an old hotel. It was really nice. I guess that was back in. Oh man, that's a long time ago. I guess it was back in the 90s, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe early 2000. And we had a pretty good time. It's a long ways. We live in North Carolina. So we went from North Carolina to upstate New York, you know, Niagara Falls. And we had a good time. Speaking of having a good time, I live in North Carolina, right around Raleigh area. So it's snowing. It's snowing all day. I figure if it's 20 degrees outside, 20, 30 degrees, it ain't going to get much warmer than that tonight. Go ahead. Might as well go ahead and snow. And it's actually sleeting too a little bit. So I imagine everything, all the bread and milk and everything will be sold out of the grocery stores. And if y'all would, this has been on my mind for 100 years. What do people do with the milk and the bread? Always that two items is guaranteed. It'll be sold out. So what do we do with that? What's going on? I'm originally from Massachusetts, and I just don't remember everybody buying up the milk and the bread. When I came down here, even when they talked about snow, everybody would buy up all the milk and bread and all the grocery stores. I guess they make mush out of it. All right, guys. I appreciate the support, the help, and a lot of people shared too. I was really surprised. A lot of people shared, so I appreciate it. All right, and then I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn how to do a little bit more editing. I'm just doing this on a notebook and my phone and everything. I need to get my computer going so I can do more and more edit, add some things, and make it look a little bit better. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for everything. Bye.